The National Weather Service in Chicago, Illinois has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, western DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:14 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:14 a.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado in Oak Brook, or 31 miles northeast of Spring Lake Forest Preserve, moving east at 29 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sutton, Spring Lake Forest Preserve, Hoffman Preserve, Springbrook Nature Center, Plunkett Park, Elmhurst Crossing, and Oak Brook. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Chicago. You can also share your report with NWS Chicago on Facebook and Twitter.